Hello everyone. Today we're talking about understanding data. This is what you would see in quiz 2, and this is also, I believe, lesson 5 in unit 2. And this is a very important topic, and the reason it's so important is because we will revisit this, okay? This is something that will come up again in unit 4 in a big way. So we might as well get this down now and get this down really well. So the goal for today is to understand how to find a few measures of central tendency using our brains, right? Just doing it by hand. And also I would like to show you how to do all of that using Google Sheets. I believe that Google Sheets are your best friend, yes, even better than Desmos. I believe that Google Sheets are your best friends when talking about dealing with statistics and finding measures of central tendency and so on. So we will absolutely work on that as well. So first things first, what are we learning? We're learning about median, mean, and mode. And you will know that you have succeeded when you'll be able to do this on your own. So let's do this. What are those things? So mean is the average of all values. So let's say you have a number set. And your number set has maybe 3 numbers. 2, 4, and 6. Okay? The mean would be these 3 numbers added up divided by 3, right? So you add up the numbers and you divide by the number of numbers you have. Okay, so in this case, mean is going to be 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now, median is the middle number. So you literally look at your data set and you say, okay, I have 3 numbers, which one's in the middle? Oh, it's this one. Okay, so in this case, median is 4. And mode is, of course, the most repeated number in the set. In this particular case, there is no mode because no number is repeated. So let's turn this data set in something slightly different, right? What if I have 4 numbers instead of 3? So now my data set is going to look like this. 2, 4, 4, 6. Once again, when I do the mean, I take the average of all the values. I add them up, just like it happens on your quizzes and tests, right? I add them up and divide by 4. So this is 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 6 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is, once again, my mean is 4. Now, what is my median? Now, that's interesting because now I don't have one middle number, I have 2. So how do we find the median when we have 2 numbers? Easy. You take your middle numbers, you add them up, you divide by 2. 4 plus 4 is 8, divided by 2 is also 4. And mode is, of course, the most repeated number, and I have arranged this data set in a very specific way. I have asked you, I have made number 4 the answer to all of these things. But this is not true in real life. Usually they are quite different from the other. So what I want you to do next is I want you to go ahead and calculate, and actually, let's do it this way. First, I want you to think about this and tell me, which one is the most useful measure? The mean, the median, or the mode? And tell me why. Go ahead and put it on the discussion board. Okay?